Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna speak about this little tool here made by Bosch. It's a Bosch GX 12 volt sander, cordless sander. You know, a few months ago I was looking for a cordless sander for small projects whenever I'm doing a repair. And at first I tried this from Ryobi. As much I am a big fan of Ryobi tool, I tried out this, and for doing repairs, I'll be honest, I hate this product. This I will only use if I'm doing some rough job, something that doesn't have to be as professional. There's no speed dial on this sander. It's basically one speed. Let me just show you. Very difficult to control if you're trying to do a professional clean repair. So I searched around and I tried this little tool made by Bosch, and for doing repairs, I must say I love this little tool. It has a speed dial right here. Go from 1 up to 6, and it's so controllable. You could control the speed, especially if I'm in a hall, I'm doing a repair on a hall. You put this thing on the side of the hull and it moves real smoothly. You have total control of doing that repair without burning or taking off too much or going too fast, not too slow. You have total control. It has a power button right here. And let me just show you. Doesn't make a whole lot of noise. And I could turn up the dial. Right now it's on 2. So much control. I could go up to 6. And I'm in full control right here. Whatever speed I'm comfortable with, and then you hit the power button and it stops. If you're in the repair, doing paint repairs, whether it's on automobiles or boats, which I do the boats, this is a real handy piece of tool to have. It makes the job so much easier. It has a pouch right there that collects the dust. And the tricky thing about this thing, I bought it on Amazon, and it does not come with the battery. You gotta buy the battery separate, at least on Amazon. Maybe eBay or other vendors will sell you the total package, but I had to buy the battery separate and the charger. This is the charger separate. So I would recommend having at least minimum of 2 or 3 batteries. One thing I would say about this product, this I basically use for doing repairs, small repairs. Don't try to sand an entire hull with this boat. You're probably gonna get about 25 minutes out of a battery, and it's for doing repairs. Perfect tool to have in your kit for doing repairs. I mean, it's made my life so much easier. So again, it's made by Bosch, and this is it. And for doing repairs, man, it's a sweet piece of tool. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we will continue to promote working smarter, not harder.
Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, working smarter, not harder.